Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alsan Fadilah. I'm from Law Class A. I made this video to fulfill the tasks given by Miss Lina SPD MPD, my General English lecturer. Okay, this is video. I will introduce my product, Dilation, and this one of the clothes in my shop. This product is called Frisaders. The next is dress detail in my product. 1. Front zipper Busui family. Busui is breastfeeding mothers. And 2 live buttons on the cast. 1 button cuff ablution friendly. And variation buttons on the skirt. Drawstring at the back of the dress. Additional layers and skirt. Pockets on the right and left of the dress, and available size XS, S, M, L, and XL. Okay, and last, material and size details. Plain is Toyobo cotton, and plaid is semi-wool. Toyobo cotton is absurd sweet and gentle on the skin, and plain is semi-wool, not transparent, and wrinkle-free. And last, strong wave, not easy to hear. This product has 4 colors: mustard gold, walnut, light gray, and bronze. Okay, that's all I can say. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.